What's up, everyone? Welcome. This is Gabby Trades. How is everyone doing? Oh my God, we have CPI in 1 minute, so we need to concentrate pretty fast here. Let me just quickly do the rounds. We have Kuhn, we have David, Jake, Stanimir, Jay, Hurley. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening for everyone around the world. Thank you so much for being here, you guys. Really appreciate it. Hope all of you. And Ross is here. Yay. Katsuli as well. Nice to see you, mate. Good, good, good. Now that we are half in the house, we're gonna go ahead and see. We have 1 minute. Pretty much 20 seconds, actually. Okay, yeah, Kun, 20 seconds. Good shout. Let's see, let's see. I have my gold open here. Still running. So... a bunch of other orders as well, but let's see. Pending. Come on, give us the results. So pretty much mainly we care about the core, right? Because that's what you know, the feds are caring about, so we're kind of like going with the feds. So expectations for the core is okay. All right, so as expected. Gold is pretty much doing nothing. I can see it. Okay, month over month as expected as well. Still high, but as expected. Gold's doing nothing. Pretty much sitting in the same range. Okay, 2.4. So everything as expected. All right, everything as expected. Nothing inflationary, nothing disinflationary. At the moment, we are sitting in the middle. So the reaction is pretty muted at the moment. Looking at just the money going up and down, it's pretty much the same. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump on the chart immediately and see zero reaction. Very muted. This is the 1 minute time frame. Usually we get way higher candles than this. But technically we do have this liquidity to grab on gold here. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. A little bit bigger reaction on Bitcoin. Yes, everyone. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hello to everyone who had it, all the Dutch people. I know we have a lot of Dutchies watching us, a lot of Bulgarians, etc. All right, so you can see all of these flat highs over here. They were targeted with this. Pretty much reaction is very close to true week open. I tried to warn you guys today. Obviously, we haven't had much move because the markets were waiting to... Dr. Evo, hello. Markets were waiting to price in basically CPI. So when we were doing the update in the morning, I tried to warn you guys that this range would probably come down and retest true week open. If you haven't joined Discord, Gabby Trades website, make sure to register so you can get the free PDF as well for the RTM basic education. Okay, that's the Udarete Laika, yes. Stanimir is always annoyed because he thinks that the Bulgarians are liking and then not liking my video or something. Why would they do that? I'm Bulgarian. They love me. Anyways, all right. So, very muted reaction. Obviously, as expected. So, not entirely horrible news, I'd say. You know, considering all of the geopolitical tensions, CPI on tap, inflation seems low before the Iran conflict jacked up oil prices, but did it really? Yeah, did it really? Maybe not really. As of yet, cost of livings 0.5, a touch faster. Central Bank is aiming to lower the annual increase in the cost 2% or less. Can you stop knocking these guys? Honestly, like someone is doing some renovation upstairs. Oh my God, it was so funny, you guys. We're going to focus on the charts a little bit. So I'm still short Bitcoin. I gave you updates. Well, at least the people on Discord. In the free community, they get daily updates. Very important. So I kind of showed you a bit of the risks here. So this high up here in the pre-market update, I try to discuss with you guys my view on the weekly time frame for Bitcoin. Very important. Okay, Strait of Hormuz, obviously a lot of issues going there. Just discussed that in the morning as well. I don't want to go into it. neighboring countries kind of like in distress of everything that's happening. But at the same time, you need to remember neighboring countries are neighboring countries, right? Neighboring countries, and your neighbor, the one that you don't like, but you kind of have to live with them, so it's better if everything is okay and you always are friends. So that's kind of my outlook on this in terms of neighboring. There is always going to be the warm neighborly feeling. Like, I'll give you an example before we jump in here on gold, because I want to tell you something about that as well. Neighbors, right? Like this morning I went to scream upstairs to these guys that are renovating, because they're pissing me off. So I was like, hey, can you blah 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 do this and that? And then I kind of knocked on the door next to it, and I was like, hey, are they causing troubles for you as well, blah blah blah? And the woman was like, oh my God, welcome, come sit down. I was just cleaning and I literally just woke up. I was like, my hair was like this. And she was like, come in. So I was like, okay. And then I came in and she was like, oh, do you like, I renovated this and that. And I'm like, well, I've never been here before, so I don't really know how it looked before, but it looks great. And, for me, my plan was to just go upstairs, shout at them, scare the living crap out of them, and then just come back downstairs and proceed with my day. But I just ended up having a lovely conversation with my neighbor for like half an hour, which was great, So, but I love to maintain, you have to maintain good relationship with your neighbors. So that's kind of my view on this. All right, 30-minute liquidity, a little bit strong here on gold. So what I'm planning to do for gold now, technically, if we look at it, by the way, RTM, very cool. Me and one of the RTM members, if you're part of the RTM, that's the mentorship members. So basically, we created this RTM indicator, which is pretty cool. It's still in testing. There is 1 or 2 bugs. But anyways, looking at the RTM, gold looks bearish at the moment. Okay, gold looks bearish. I do kind of want to long it down here, so we'll see if we're gonna get that. I'm gonna get that possibility. Obviously, you guys do not do anything I do. This is not the aim of this. The aim of this is educational purposes, you guys. The aim of this is for you to see what I do, okay, how I think, how I react, and things like that. Okay. So yeah, obviously we have here a previous SR flip zone. I don't remember if it was 4 hourly, 1 hourly, 30 minutes. Have I moved it a little bit? But yeah, we have lots of liquidity, double liquidity formation here. I want you guys to see, yesterday we marked this together. This one, 5238.8. We marked it together for a potential short. And then I stopped the stream. I went to have dinner and I missed the short. But anyways, it's fine. It's just good to see that the areas we mark are pretty substantial and good. So yeah, with the report, maybe possibly, let's see what's happening to the dollar. Yeah, dollar is coming up here from our SR flip zone. So now this is acting as support at the moment currently. Let's see, because it might reject in this area. Obviously that is a lower time frame, but still we're kind of, we have a reversal pattern. We're holding up above, so that's important to note, even on a lower time frame for the dollar. So dollar up, gold down. Finally making some sense today. I like that. Yes, everyone, make sure to hit the like button. Thank you. Sorry, my accent is just coming up all the time. I'm trying to hide it very hard, but it's not working out very good. So yeah, we make sense finally here. So let's see. Steimer is laughing. The Balkan in me. I just want to do the hard does and everything. We have a beautiful language. I really like it. Let's see Bitcoin. Let's watch Bitcoin a little bit here in the reaction after taking these highs. Still a bit muted. Well, honestly, a very weak reaction. Possibly what's going to happen is Kuhn, I also used to have Dutch accent. Don't laugh. I also had Dutch accent when I was speaking Dutch mostly. All right, don't forget Friday, we also have PCE, unemployment data, Joel's jobs openings. Let's see, what is Market Watch saying here? CPI shows consumer prices were fairly subdued in February before the oil spike. Well, yeah, I mean, that was before. What's going to happen though after? It's going to be the biggie. So anyways, yeah, there was a potential for, you know, some sort of reversal down here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm still short from up here. And I've taken profits down here, so it's all good. It's not like I've retraced the whole move. We are Gucci. We're Gucci. Let's see what's happening with the VIX. Little bit of a spike on the wicks. On the wicks. Yeah, a little bit of a spike, but maybe it's gonna drop today. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Yeah, this was probably the long for Bitcoin. If we manage to hold this down here, if not, it's probably going to retrace further down. So gold, like I said. But how are you guys? How are you? How's everyone doing? This is gonna be a long stream. Watching for the moves. So like I said, I'm kind of interested in that area down here. Also matches with True Week Open. We're gonna clean some liquidity. Maybe if we get a reaction here, it would be nice. It is though a little bit scary with these lows down here and the SR flip zone below it. Just here. Just here. But it is what it is. Let's have a look at the equities real quick. I honestly kind of like the reaction down here, kind of like the fact that we managed to V-shape recover from the double liquidity down here into another area of SR flip here on the 12-hour. As you can see, the indicators. Kun bought the yearly subscription. Very smart of him, I would say. And then down here, potentially, right? Potentially, maybe another retrace of it and a continuation. Let's see. Let's see, would be interesting. It's very hard, right? Equities have been very hard this year, since like literally September last year. Very hard, very well, but since with the geo problem, yes, I completely understand. I completely understand. You know, a lot of people might say, hey, why are you not trading oil, this and that? Well, this is the reason, right? It's very hard for me to utilize my model. When you don't know, they might just blow up something at the Hormuz, and then what? I get, again, listen, like potentially, right, this was a sell zone. We know 0.7861. This is our premium zone from where, you know, shorts happen according to the model. But also it is a bullish leg. It is a bullish leg. You can see that, right? You can see the bullish leg here. On oil, you're maintaining the equilibrium of the bullish leg, so that's very bullish. That really means that you know, we might get another spike on oil. If you're positioned down here, maybe, you know. Monthly is looking very interesting. We had the double liquidity. You know, we had all these things. We kind of knew, but again, I prefer a bit more safer place, to be fair. Sorry for this. Eventually, I'm going to clean my charts, I promise. Everyone, make sure to like this video. And let's see if we're going to get some sort of reaction here. How many likes do we have here? I feel we need more likes. Every time I check, I know we need likes. So, just reminding you guys. I wish more people were here. I miss the days. I miss the days where we will just talk about crypto, talk about coins and everything. It was great. right? I was having such fun time doing that with you guys. It was so great. So great. But these are not the times right now. These are not the times, but the times will come back. They will come back. And we'll have some pretty interesting setups to look at. So I'm excited about that. Cat's having a crash out at the moment. So, you know, there was no real reason for me to short here, especially with CPI. Obviously, everyone was expecting a bigger move. So right now, you know, around here, potential shorts. If not, I'm gonna wait for all of that liquidity to be taken. I'll be waiting for market to open and everything. The best times are still to come. Let's see. Let's hope they don't come in 2028. Oh, really? You're gonna drill now? Okay. Okay. They should be done in like 15 minutes, but I don't think you guys can hear them anyway. Good morning! Let's see what's happening with Palladium here real quick. Yeah, so yesterday, kind of muted. All the stocks were kind of muted yesterday. Let's see what's happening. Ken Rocher, the superstar. Yeah, so gold, potentially. Let's see, potentially. Do we have a cleaner chart for gold here? Very difficult, right? Stairs up, elevator down, stairs up. We might get another elevator down. Let's hope not, because I really like my long down here at the 5,000 levels. Finance with stocks will go up today. Recovery after Trump speech yesterday. Oh, Tsvetkov, what did Trump say yesterday? I kind of forgot. What did he say? Do you mean about them escorting the tanks, or what exactly do you mean? What exactly do you mean? Still weak, still weak. That was on Monday. Yeah, he does like to give speeches. I think it was Monday towards Tuesday that he gave a speech or something. Yeah, Monday, American Monday. That he gave a speech and gold ran a little bit. That's why oil went down. Yeah, yeah. Let's see. I mean, honestly, yeah, they have to get their stuff together as soon as possible, because if oil continues to hover above 80, that's very dangerous, right? And we can see that that's exactly where it is kind of supporting right now. So the uncertainty is still there for sure, and that could be a huge problem. Like, how long can they go like that? Everything needs energy. All the industries, everything needs energy, needs oil, needs natural gas, needs coal. We need that. Okay, AI might be great, but we need energy even for that. So okay, we're dumping a little bit. I like that. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, it was at an SR flip zone, but you can see what happens here. So pre-CPI, there was no way I'm gonna go short here. That's impossible. So I'm gonna wait it out here. Let's see. Double liquidity, more liquidity to the downside. This is from which session? Let's have a look together. By the way, the volume session indicators are for free. Just follow Gabby Trades on TradingView, you guys, and you can find the free indicators there. Stalling. We're stalling. Obviously pre-CPI, but with the data that we got, not much expectations at the moment. Yeah, Correct. I agree. They need to lower the inflation. Yeah. Otherwise they won't cut rates. Yeah, exactly. That's the main issue. That's the main issue that we're having. And we have 7 days, right? We have 7 days till we get the data. And currently there is almost 100% chance that they're not going to do anything at this meeting. So next one, very likely that they won't do anything as well. So until something changes, so far it doesn't look like it. Oh, now the pet insurance decided to call me. Hold on. I said before, not now. Hello? Hope you guys didn't hear that. Hope you guys didn't hear that. I tried to mute myself. I think I did it successfully. But anyway, you know how they just, you're like, yeah, I can't talk right now. And they just like go on. You're like, I told you to call me earlier. Anyways, it was important. So. This is going to be a drag. It's like you changed your face so many times. I know I did. I know. I'm just kind of like really straight to the point, you know? So when people just like go around and around, like I understand you wanna sell me. I'm already sold, you know? I'm already sold. You don't need to convince me. Just call me when is the right moment. Yeah, what a CPI scam up here. Look at that. Just wicked slightly below the liquidity and then just dropped. There was no way of catching that. That's fine. I'll just send it in the intended direction so we know what to do. Thank you in advance. So one thing I did not do is I didn't long Bitcoin from True Week Open. Gonna need a little bit more conviction than what I'm seeing at the moment, I'd say. I mean, on the 5 minutes, it doesn't look terrible, but it really doesn't actually. You would think CPI is gonna be the day. It's gonna be the day. That's gonna be so interesting, but no. I just need a little bit of a better area, if you don't mind. Gold. But how nice though, even with that, like look at all these highs, like on the 1 minute, like here. Just notice the stack over here, right? Kind of crazy how it just took them and it dumped. Probably on the 1 minute if someone was watching that. This is why Venezuela needs to be in the fuel and installation so that they can produce more oils that they... Oh, that's what they were able to do 30 years ago. I see. Well, yeah. Maybe it is. Maybe it is a game of resources. At the end of the day, it could be. I mean, whatever we do, we just end up talking about this, don't we? I guess this is the topic. You know, we have other topic. You know, files and other things. Then this, then that. Have you seen that image on Twitter where they're just like having January, February, March, April, and then you have all of the people that have been taken down by Trump. I wonder who's on the agenda for April. Hope's not me. Hope's not me. Very muted, very muted. Yeah, that was not a bad retrace. I wonder if I want to long it here. We need to think about it. Let's see. Oh. Alrighty then. I forgot I had another short open on the other exchange. I like that. Oh yeah, because I opened the true week open short. See, I sometimes lie to you guys unintentionally, honestly. Like, I forget. I genuinely forget sometimes because when I'm trading on all of these platforms that I'm trading, I just forget. So yeah, I do have a short this morning. I do have a short. So essentially now I have two shorts open from this morning and up here. One's on Bluff and one's on BitUnex. And what else did I want to do? Oh yeah, I was looking at potentially longing at the moment. Just have to assess the situation. It's kind of holding. Let's see. 15-minute data low is taken. It's just all good. The reaction at the moment. You have a strong low, you have a strong high. A little bit difficult right now, but overall should be fine. Let's see. Excuse me, guys. This is what happens when we trade live. All right, good. So that's that. Let's go back to MetaTrader for gold. Maybe I should have done market actually. Bit sus though. No, the limit is fine. I don't want to pay extra fees for the market order. So if I miss it, it's gonna be because I'm stingy of like fees. Ken Rocher is having a predictability that Cuba is next. Do you guys like Cuban cigars? Are you into cigars and stuff like that? Not me. I am not into smoking at all. Oh, you are? I'm into nicotine gums. I know you probably think, what? Yes. Okay, good. That's what I'm into. I think it's not modern to do that anymore, right? Is it? I hate Bitcoin on the 1 minute. It's just the one thing I hate. All right, so gold is getting down. Cigars and women, ill. I mean, guys will be guys, I guess. Hello, Denofi. Did you vape? Yes, I did. Caught. Not vape. I used to like hold the vape with my teeth and just be like, I was so into it. But everyone was into it. It's not my fault. Gabby, do you still listen to techno? Sometimes. Sometimes, Ross. Hello, Zebu. Sometimes. Everyone, make sure to like this video. Don't forget to do that. Sometimes I do. But you know the tunes that we used to listen to? I lost most of them. Like, I don't have like a proper playlist. Okay, I like this dump here. We are watching what's happening to crypto. Good air. Yes, good air. I'm gonna have to enter a market here, I feel like. Just a smaller size, and then if I get tagged in the other one, it's just going to average my my entry. Or should I wait it out? It wasn't such a big size, so we're just gonna go for it. Okay, good. Good. All right, so Bitcoin short, Bitcoin long. Let's look at gold right now. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Trigger ready. I'm going to be really annoyed if it just stops here. It might retrace or whatever, but we'll see. We still have 30 minutes. I don't want to do the same thing that I did before, just prematurely enter before market open. It's important to kind of like view the zones before market open, and then as soon as the big boys come in, you kind of are like into it. You've assessed the chart, you know, kind of what the intention could be, because all of this down here is liquidity, right? Up here, all of this and the liquidity on the 15-minute as well could be potentially targeted. Now, one thing that I'm scared of, right? One thing that I will be scared of is price not stopping in this area around 5139, 5130, or 5120. Like, I'm willing to, you know, I could maybe stack orders. There is some liquidity down here, but it has to stop in this area. If it doesn't, unfortunately, then it's probably going to drop furthermore, which obviously I can't handle in terms of drawdowns. So I'll probably have to stop for, you know, for a loss if that happens. It's probably going to be a second opportunity for me today. Let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Ross, what are you listening to nowadays? Have you changed at all? Are you listening to Selena Gomez or something? You know, Selena Gomez has made a lot of money with her makeup brand. You know. Massive manipulation. If this like reverses right now, it's gonna be massive manipulation. You just listen to Gunna. Doesn't Gunna has a concert in London, doesn't he? In is it in June or something? Go and look it up. I'm pretty sure he's in London. You should go and listen to him. It's gonna be sick. It's probably going to be in the O2 Arena, most probably. What a manipulation here on gold. Insane. So that's why I always have the news open, just in case something happens. You know, because when the geopolitical situation is the way it is, especially if you're trading gold, like sometimes even with the liquidity, something might happen out of nowhere and gold might just explode, which is good because there is a long that's running long term, so that's good. Well, long term we'll see because it's entry at around 5,000, so we don't know. That's so funny though, to say that you're trading Nasdaq while listening to Gunna. I did like his new album though, but I can't sing it because one time I was like, I wasn't even live. I was doing like I was testing YouTube or something, like I was doing a test, so I was recording on YouTube. Oh yeah, because you're married now. Congratulations, by the way, I forgot to say. But I was like humming a song. I was humming a song and I wasn't even live. Like it was a private video. I was testing something on YouTube and I was humming a song, me. You know? I'm not a singer, so I'm humming. Can you imagine? Like it probably sounds ridiculous. So me doing that and YouTube sent me a warning. Like, why are you humming Yid's song? You know, I'm like, what? What are you talking about? That's insane. Like, I was just humming, dude. Like, what? And they're like, copyrights. I'm like, for what? I know, insane, insane, insane. Oh my god, if it does a reversal pattern here, I'm just gonna be like, what are you doing, gold? I'm not longing it here. You know, with the liquidity, some people might do right now, but that's not me. It is not me. You feel you probably can sing. Yeah, so when I was 5 years old, I wanted to be a singer. And my mom believed in my dreams. So she took me to this like a hearing, right? I think it was like, you know, and there was this really old guy. I was so excited. I was like training with this Mickey Mouse song. That was my favorite song back day when we still had the cassettes, right? So I had a cassette, I had to put it on and then I had to like reverse it with my little finger. Yes, I was like, Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse. And then she took me. Oh my god, I don't know why I'm telling you this, you guys. Oh my god, it's so funny. She took me, and then it was this old fat guy. Ross is laughing because he probably can have a better idea, you know. So it's this old fat guy, and there was like this couch, like 2-seater, right? Very small couch. No, it was like the bonbons. Remember the bonbons? I remember the bonbons, so I had a hearing, yeah. So basically, 2-seater couch, right? 2-seater couch, a microphone, like on a stand, extended to my height, and me. But I was so shy. When I was little, I was very shy. Like I used to get in fights with the boys in kindergarten. Like I would fight the bullies. Like literally everyone would be scared of the bullies. And I would go and be like, and fight them. Anyways, whatever. And then, but I was very shy, like around adults. So he sat down and he was just like this. He wasn't even, hey, like, oh, you know, I'm used to people being like cute with me, you know, I'm freaking 5 years old. And he's like sitting, he was like very angry. He sat down, he was like, okay, play, you know, and they're playing the song and I'm like, Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse, you know? And I was just terrified. I was terrified. I cannot imagine a child that would come in front of this guy and be like all performing and like feeling great. Like it was just so weird. Just made a quick 5%. Did you long it? What did you? You probably longed the reversal, didn't you? Hi, Mind Tapestry. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. Yeah, pretty, you know, pretty, pretty brave from you, Philip. I wouldn't have done that down here. But anyways, they never called me back, so I was terrified. I was asking every day, like, are they gonna call me back? Are they gonna call me back? So that was the end of my singing dream, I'd say. Yeah, lots of shorts coming. I know, Kun. But it was fun though. I mean, I still love music. Like, I love music. I absolutely love music. Like, my playlists are amazing. Like, I collect the best music worldwide. And they're just like soul healing tunes, you know? Like, I love it. You can't possibly be making a reversal pattern right now just above liquidity. What is this? What is this? I'm not longing that. I mean, you're singing from the live. Can you imagine if the live streams, if the YouTube channel turns into a singing channel? I'm gonna tell you something, by the way. And I'm not even kidding. I do have an idea for a song. I'm so for real. Yes, I love jazz. Most of the music I have is based on jazz as well. I have an idea for a song, but it's not like a nice song. It's like a viral dumb song. So if anyone understands from music or, you know, beats and stuff like that, open the tickets on Discord and we'll talk about it, because it's very funny. But I'm not gonna tell you. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. But sometimes, yeah, I do come up with tunes in my head. Oh my lord, what is happening? I cannot believe this reversal pattern. I cannot believe what my eyes are seeing right now. Because this could really reverse and it will be such a scam because I'm not taking it. Can't make me take that. Saint Germain. But do you guys have any music that you like in particular? Oh, God. Let's see what Russia is doing now. Russia is helping Iran with advanced drone tactics derived from the Ukraine war to target the US and Gulf countries in the... What? Russia, what? Oh my goodness. Crypto Kisuke, I'm artist first, trader second. You're an artist. I love it. I love it. Oh, really? Ross, you have to send it to me, man. EDM, lounge, jazz, etc. Koen is like a proper Dutch head. Holland and techno. Oh my god, the reversal is real, you guys. Oh my lord. I hope it fails. Because I want to see it lower before I take a long. Dutchies are so fun with their music. Has everyone liked this video? I'm not sure you guys have. I miss Holland. I miss Holland. You know where the wildest parties I have ever been in Holland were? Not in Amsterdam. It was in Groningen. In Paradigm. It was so great. Oh my god. Especially the old building. If you go now to Paradigm in Groningen, you'd have to go to the big building. Just before I left Groningen, they changed the small building to the new big one. It's kind of like Berghain. It's kind of like Berghain in Berlin. They really were fascinated with Berghain in Berlin, and Berghain in Berlin is so not great. Hello, Captain JJ. Berghain in Berlin is such a hype. Like, even if you want to go in the club, you have to line up for literally hours, you know? And there's so many nicer clubs in Berlin that you can just go in like that. I never went to Berghain when I was living in Berlin. I was like, I'm not going in a queue for 3 hours. There is no way. But anyway, so Groningen, Paradigm did the same. The atmosphere is much better in old buildings. Well, it wasn't even an old building. It was like, it was a warehouse. It was like a tiny warehouse, you know, and they would be so creative. They had all kinds of decorations inside. There was like a little car in the middle. It was so great, but it was tiny, and it was getting more and more popular, because when I was there, it wasn't even that popular. But then it started getting really popular. It picked up really fast because they started inviting like big DJs, and then it picked up really fast, and they moved to the bigger building. I helped them with a project. That's how I know them. But to the wharf, NDSM, I think I have. Can't beat the warehouse parties from the late 90s. Yeah, I'm sure. Like, I'm probably like, that was probably like the thing to be in. You know, back then everything was more wild. Yeah, this looks like a reversal pattern, you guys. I am beyond confused right now. I mean, I'm not confused. It's something that I could take, but not with liquidity sitting just below of it. But there is also liquidity above it. So yeah, it's just and also market hasn't opened yet, so we're just watching this. Let's check crypto real quick as well. Also reversal. That's great because I longed that, didn't I? So I did an order a little bit lower down here, I think, and then I had a long as well. Yeah. Okay, good. So we're like 15% up on that. That's not too bad. But the sizing was not as big. That's fine though. That's fine. Should have entered with a little bit more size, but it's okay. Gabby, any plans of visiting? Actually I do. Probably, but it's gonna be a very short-term visit because I haven't been there since like, I don't know, 2017, I'd say. So it's been quite a while. Let us see the just the entry on 6939. That was market, so I was filled very badly. 69319. 319? Really? Is that where you filled me? Whatever. That's fine. Let's say stop loss below here. I don't know. Rejecting from the 4-hourly SR though is not good. So just gonna keep that for now. I'm not even gonna put entry at break even. We're just gonna watch it just like everything else. Let's open gold in case we want to open any. That's fine, Ross. Let's see if this is actually going to be a sustainable long here that I just took. Hopefully though, listen, it actually could work out pretty well with the short. You know she's doing well when there is no case on the phone. Yeah, I actually see this phone. I've had it for freaking I don't know how many years. It's like it's 13, if I remember correctly. This is iPhone 13. I've never had a case. I don't have a single scratch on it. I'm very careful with my stuff. I don't have a single scratch on it. Soon as I got this one, I dropped it, and I already have a scratch on it. And I'm kind of sick of the orange. So I got a case for that. So I got a case for that, yeah. Which is supposed to arrive a little bit late. I think next week or something. Hopefully I don't completely destroy it by the time I get it. That'll be great. Where is everyone? You guys, can you do me a favor and share the stream like on Twitter or something? But yeah, I got a black case, full black case for this phone. Yeah, that's good. We're moving here. All right, good. Thank you, Kun. This mini 1 minute reversal pattern is kind of working out here on gold as well. Kaboom! That's annoying. Hi, Mudley. Thank you, dude. Yeah. It would be kind of sad if it goes up here to grab that liquidity and I'm not in, but it's good for the other position, so that's fine. But yeah, I guess a 1 minute entry has nothing to do with like the overall picture, unless we're missing something from the picture here. Pre-market, we still have 8 minutes. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. So yeah, when I finish this indicators with the help of our brilliant RTM developer, we shall see if we can release them for the RTM students. Yes, everyone. I hope everyone's registered in the Gabby Trades website, even the people that are not part of the RTM. You can get your free RTM PDF. Get on Discord as well, please, you guys. The VIP role is for free for everyone to get. So make sure to do that. You're welcome. Yeah, kind of annoying that this reversal pattern happened here in the middle of nowhere. I mean, essentially, when you spot the reversal pattern, you know, you could go long, technically, right? But not right above liquidity, no. For me, no. But there are lots of punters out there that do it and make good profit. So let's not disregard that. All right, Bitcoin long is doing well. Seven minutes. Let's see. Wall Street is not in yet. Everything can change in seconds. But I like the fact that we have like an hour, so we can just talk, have fun, look at the charts, observe the levels, and make a plan, you know, or at least I'm making a plan. You guys are watching me do my thing. I'm getting a nicotine withdrawal. How's my cat not crashing out right now? Can you guys believe that we're already almost in spring? Like my grandma is sending me pictures of flowers, of like spring flowers already. I'm like, how did this happen? Like we just entered 2026. You're telling me we're already like 3.5 months into the year and we're going to finish Q1 like in a bit? Are you for real? Where is time going? I need my time back.
Thank you for continuing to teach us all.
Someone said something. Did I get a tip? No way. Did it really happen? Because I didn't see anything. Wait, I'm gonna have to reverse it. Because I wasn't listening. Oh my god. Yes, I did. Oh, thank you. That's so cool. Yay. Thank you. Yes, appreciate it. Thank you so much, you guys. Crypto Kisuke, that's so sweet. That's so sweet. I saw this reel on Instagram. There was this American guys that are doing really funny reels, and one guy was dressed like he had a blonde wig on, and there was someone narrating saying, "This is Karen. She migrates Caranolias or something. She migrates every summer from the US to Europe, and now she's found herself in Italy." And they showed her, like the typical American Karen, they showed her at a restaurant, while Caranolias was observed for the first time having a green salad. So they're showing her eating the salad, but there is no ranch in it. Like the sauce, you know, the Americans are crazy about the ranch sauce. And then she starts like going crazy and angry, and she's saying, "This is going to be reflected in your tip." But then the waiter is like European, and he's like looking at her holding like 4 euros in coins, and he's looking at her and he's like, "I don't even know what that means. I don't even know what a tip is." So then he started shouting back at her, and they're like, "Caranolias has met her match." So funny. Oh my god. So yeah, basically they were just trying to say how it's very common in America to tip, and we don't have that culture in Europe, which is true, which is true. But I always try to tip. I mean, not 20%. I think that's a bit like, okay, you know. All right, the reversal here is still holding. Let's look at the Bitcoin long. A little bit reversing right now from Asia high. Is that Asia high? Yeah. Sweep of the Asia high. Let's see what New York is gonna do in 2 minutes. 2 minutes, everyone. Two minutes. We're gonna find out how New York is feeling about this inflation report. Everything as expected. I had a feeling that that's gonna happen for February. Let's see, the PC might be the kicker this week. Friday, they've been moving price a lot on Fridays. Let's see if this reversal pattern is going to fail. But what else are you watching, guys, in terms of assets to trade? For me, I'm mainly focused on Bitcoin and gold right now. Crude, colonel. Potentially heading for this 84.7, this lower time frame. Watch it dump just to take out longs, yeah. That's what happens. Let's see though. New York is gonna come out now. Reversal patterns playing out pretty good so far. Playing pretty good. Let's see. It's also pumped a little bit. I like it. Hopefully it's gonna hold and it's gonna be a good long. Here it is. New York entered the chat. New York entered the chat. They're like, no. Anyone who longed in this range, see ya. A great move on ICP, yeah. I think with crypto, yeah, we're getting some motion right now. For sure. Some weird coins are moving. I don't know what that is. That doesn't even look like a chart. Some are crazy down, some are up big time. What is that? Pixel. What is that? 73% done on the day. Okay. Sigh. Some are moving. Like there is some sleepers out there that are, you know, moving right now. Saga, what is that? I mean, what is this? Ron? What are we even looking at, dude? Like right now. Fit, not bad, 5%. Arrow 3.4. Phil's moving a little bit. Could be good. Dot, really? Like coming out of the dead? Is Dot really coming out of the dead? ING, Jesus. Remember where, you know, we never dreamt of what happened. AVAX, like, look at that. Last hope here. That was crushed for me. I might as well delete that. Links up 1%. Let's see. Could be a real reversal pattern, you guys. Honestly, like if it happens, it could be hype's getting some hype. At a resistance, hype's getting some hype for sure. What else do we have? Yeah, hype. I mean, River, dude, what's happening with that? Beam. What was Casa trading? YB. YB USDT. Let's see. Up 2%. Yeah, dude, like, oh my god. Could really happen. Could really happen. It'll be great though, like honestly. You know, I haven't entirely sold everything. How's the long doing, boys and girls? Nice. Nice. Let's see how much we're up. 38%, lovely. Should have cut the short profits a little bit actually. Let's see, the entry for the short was 71721. 71721. So I'm gonna close the short with profit here, confirm. And I'm gonna leave the long running. Mind you, I have the other short still from like around 73. So that I'm gonna, because I already clipped some profits on that. Let's see, that mini short is gone that I opened today. And I'm gonna leave this one for that liquidity, the long, to run. Now let's go back to gold because I don't want to miss anything. How is the reversal pattern treating everyone? Okay, it's starting to fail. Hello, Broadcom Location Services. Everything is well, yeah. Everything is good. Thank you. Hope the same with you. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. It's still kind of holding though. You know, it might have been a re-entry for long, but like I said, I don't want to do it. I want to wait for a clean zone. And I'd better come sooner than later. Hope everyone liked this video, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Hope you're getting some sort of value from here. I'm sure you are. I'm sure you are. Make sure to check Gabby Trades, you guys. Honestly, the indicators, I don't know why I didn't mention here that you have 30 days free, but I will. You do have 30 days free on the indicators. When you sign up, you will see that you have 30 days free. So get them because they will help you. Even if you're trading another strategy, it's good to see the liquidity levels, you know, because to me, that's protection, right? Oh, that's so nice to hear. Northern California. I still have to think, where is that? Are we talking like San Francisco? Is that Northern California? Like, because where is South California? Must be Los Angeles, I think. That should be south. And then in the north, oh, that's central. Okay, so what's south and what's north? I mean, America is huge, honestly. Like, okay, so south is Los Angeles. Okay. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Because I've seen a lot of Selling Sunset on Netflix. I've seen all seasons. I've seen all the seasons on Selling Sunset. Sacramento, past Sacramento. I've heard of that too. Here it is. The reversal pattern is failing miserably. Lovely to see. Thank you, Wall Street, for doing what you were supposed to do. Heart of Gold country. Oh, so glad to hear that. I'm very happy that you are happy with the place you live and you don't complain. There is lots of people that are complaining all the time. And they probably have a good reason, but it's also nice to hear when people are happy with their lives. I mean, it's different in America, right? You have a lot of space, you can get a big house, you know, everything's big over there. Not the same in Europe. If you want a big house in Europe, it's you know, it's hard. I mean, in Bulgaria, we, you know, in the villages, we had a big house, like a huge house, but that's in the villages. Are you gonna tell me you're gonna hold right now? This is annoying. I'm gonna have to wait this. Yes, BTC, go for the liquidity. Should we make a sound? Yes, BTC, go for the liquidity. No, I'm joking. Nobody recorded me right now. That's awesome. What a great long. What a great long. What a great long. Let's just get a PNL card here and copy image and send it on Discord in profits. Because we are braggy about how good we are. And then we're going to go in profits, and then we're going to copy this image, and then we're going to paste it right here. Yes, paste it right here. And then we're going to close this. Then we're going to close Discord, and then we're going to, like, you know, do this. And then we're going to screenshot this, which I don't know where the screenshot is here. We're going to screenshot this, and then we're going to post it, okay, and be like, what should I say? Any ideas? Live. Anyone has a idea for a title? We should say BTC long, BTC long, taken, put your BTC long song, BTC long song, no, BTC long, taken live, taken live. You can still join. No, okay, whatever. If they want to join, they would have. Like, whoever is meant to be here, it will be here, or they will be here. Taken live, market watch. Oh, next CPI report could be a harder pill to swallow. Obviously. Like... you two could be making money like me. Oh, that's so funny. Oh my god. Oh. Thank god we just posted it, because now it's reversing. That's good. At least we bragged a little bit. Now let's go back to gold. This trade is running. We know we have liquidity above, so we're just gonna let it play out. Let's go back to gold. Oh my... Why is gold doing that? We're already, you know, how many minutes? 13 minutes into the opening, and we still can't take the liquidity. What is happening? Please, New York, what are you busy with? Trading meme coins? Probably. Nasdaq popped up as well. Let's see, because this could be good, you know, this could be good. There is liquidity on the higher time frame. Where was it? Freaking, this is liquidity down here, so that's not good. Maybe US 500 I was looking at. I'm pretty sure it was, yes, double liquidity formation on the S&P, but still weak. Nasdaq's pushing a little bit, but the reason Nasdaq's pushing a little bit because Nvidia is pushing a little bit. Nvidia is trying to recover above 184.64. That's important. Tesla is up today. Yeah, Tesla next target 440 seems like it. I had a generational entry on this. Generational. Snowflake. Meh. Oracle. Wait, what? What? What happened with Oracle, dude? What the hell? It's up 14.3% on the day. Hello? From our buy zone, like, obviously, but what? Oh my god, how did I not long this? %14 up Oracle, okay. All right, dude, okay. You kidding me right now? Well, congratulations, Oracle, our buy zone. All of the zones I've given live, so there is nothing to say, but clearly next target is 198. So from here, you know, another 16, let's go. That's going to be a whopping 30% or more from our buy zone. That's a whopping 34%. Insane. Hype in the chat box, everyone. That's crazy, Oracle. Jesus. Amazon also bouncing. Cleared here. This not interested. Oh man, Oracle 14% from the buy zone. Are you kidding me right now? Oh yes, finally, motion on gold. Motion. All right, so I have a slight problem with longing gold right now, even at the liquidity, just because the markets are concentrated in other spaces at the moment, such as Oracle. That's kind of annoying, but anyways, how is the long doing? Okay, no, what? I just opened it and I'm like down literally 27% on the long. What the hell? Nah, that's okay. We're still trading above, so that's fine. That's okay. We're still gonna have a very profitable day today. Gold. Oh, okay, Kun. See ya. All right, so we still haven't tapped the liquidity. You can't tell me that this is it. You cannot tell me. They're probably catching more buyers off guard here at the moment. So I'm just waiting. Thank you, Kun, for being here. It's always such a pleasure. Okay, we're just gonna wait it out a little bit more, but basically these are kind of the buy zones that I'm looking at. Hopefully everyone has liked the video, you guys. I know we probably have more likes than people live, but it's okay. Markets are a little bit hard. People don't know how to navigate that. That's why I told you, Gabby Trades, it is your safest entry into profitability, you guys, in my opinion. Okay, at the very least, join the Discord. It's free to get the daily updates. They're very helpful. That's the very least you can do to get in. To get on Discord, all you need to do is sign up with Bluff and you can get in. All right, cool. We're watching. We want to smash that liquidity. We want to smash that liquidity, and we want to trade a little bit lower. We want to trade a little bit lower. Here it is. We want to trade a little bit lower. We want to grab that low as well at 5154. Bitcoin's dipping a little bit, so I also have to watch that just in case. And we just want to see that liquidity taken, dude. That's what we want to see. So we're gonna wait for that. We're gonna wait for that and potentially furthermore even. So thank you for the likes, everyone. You are amazing. It's fun though. Like, I'm having way more fun trading live than just analyzing coins. You know what I mean? Like, it's just so much more fun. Because then I can actually get some trades in. Do you know what I mean? Because otherwise I'm just like talking. People are asking me like, when crypto was interesting at all, like people would come in the chat box and be like, oh my god, can you check this, can you check that, can you check this, and I'll have like 10 coins on the wait list to check. Can you have a look at S&P? Here it is, the liquidity is grabbed. I would love to, but I'm just watching at the liquidity grabs at the moment. We can do it real quick. So S&P, potential reversal pattern, but I also see one failed just before that, so not very sure. Let's have a look. Coming from a 15-minute area of interest, potentially if it holds, maybe it's gonna go grab this. Let's hope. Very sus though. Double liquidity, lots of lows down here. I'd say I'd feel a little bit more safe, a little bit lower around this area down here. Now let's go back to okay, 30-minute liquidity grab. 1 minute. I should have taken that long, I think, because that's a 30-minute liquidity, even though we have one lower. We're looking at the 15-second right now. Do we have a break here? Let's see. So I prematurely entered, so that's a 5162. Let's see, 5162, because I'm currently in a drawdown a little bit. 5162, 5162, like on the dot. I managed to get in. So let's see. Dangerous entry for sure, because we have more liquidity, but I'm gonna stack more positions here regardless. So let's just say something like that, whatever, who cares. Pretty still a bit premature from me, but just because I was testing the 30-minute liquidity, but they're probably gonna grab this low. BTC dropping. Okay, that's more liquidity grabs here to the downside, so I'm gonna stack another long here. Okay, so I have a second entry at 5155. 5155 9. That's okay. So we grab the liquidity here. Okay, I'm in profit. The other is also, the premature entry is also in profit at the moment. Liquidity grab, we didn't retest the area, but it's definitely worth it for me. For me. Fire entry, you guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to close the first entry in profit. Okay, and I'm just gonna leave. So that first entry that I took, I closed it in profit, and I just let the second entry run. That's better. So that's that, and I'm gonna watch that entry right now and see what happens, because we've been waiting for that liquidity to be grabbed Again, you guys, I'm showing you, this is Gabby Trades indicators. That is how I managed to grab these entries fast, because I saw the liquidity sweep. Now let's hope that the entry is actually worth it. Okay. I wish, but entering at market is very hard, right? With everything is very hard. So we just have to watch it carefully. I don't want to take any profits on it or close half, but I'm going to watch it just in case. Down here, if I need to do anything. But we're running in profit at the moment. That's good. Let's go. Everyone, make sure to like this video. We're doing good. What can I tell you? What can I tell you? A Bitcoin long is like, dude, I closed my short for you. My second short. Thankfully, I have another short running on Bluffin. But come on now. Hold the 4-hour SR flip zone, please. Please hold it. And let's go back to gold. Let's go back to gold, because this is double liquidity. The problem with the double liquidity is it can be retested, which is annoying, because you've made money, you know, you want your money, but the area can be retested, which is a bit annoying. It is indeed very annoying, but let's hope this is going to be it. We grabbed the liquidity, so let's just run it up. Let's go. We're printing. Good, good, good. Oh, was it? Make it worth, right? I was waiting for this entry for literally an hour and 30 minutes. It tell me I'm not patient. Good job, good job, good job today. Today, very good. Today, very good. Today, brilliant. Now, if Bitcoin also does a good job, it will be great. If it doesn't, it will be very disappointing. And that's why I'm watching it, because maybe I'll put it at break even. I don't know. I don't want to. 69319.6 693.6 confirm. All right, so SL is put in place at break even for the Bitcoin long, and we're still holding this on gold. Please don't fail here, but that's it's looking okay-ish for now. It's looking okay-ish. I just don't want it to go back and retest, because that's going to be very painful. We have 3 minutes before the following 15-minute candle. Up around here, like I'm kind of happy of like taking a little bit of profits. Not before that, not here though, not here. Like up here, at least I'll probably close some and then let the rest run. It's not gonna be easy. I definitely think the area will be retested. They even might take me at break even if I don't secure any profits. So, you know, I gotta do it. Plus, look at all that move. You see, it's all bullish candles. They will retrace the move eventually, you know, very soon, if not any second. You know, but these highs are definitely looking like a fresh target. And we also have the CPI high as well, which is going to be a target. So might as well hold it. We'll see. We'll see. 2 minutes to the next 15-minute candle. Everyone, make sure to like this video. How, dude, how are we having 30? We had 32 likes. I swear to God, we had 32 likes. And then suddenly we have 30 likes. How is that possible? Do people just, when I say like, they've already liked and they're kind of like, oh, damn, I already liked. What's the deal? Was 37? We've lost 7 likes. How is that even possible? How is that even possible? Please don't retrace here. Please don't retrace here. (15-minute candle). New 15-minute candle is going to open any second right now, Chads. Any second, any second. They're pushing it into resistance. Into resistance. It's important we get a close above here. It is important. It is important we don't start rejecting here. 15-minute candle opened officially. Do not retrace the whole move. Don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah, push, 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 push. No resistance. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close half here, even though I know that it has to go higher. I'm gonna close half because I don't have choice. Let's see, actually, hold on. Not yet. All right, I haven't done anything yet. Push it, push it, push it. Hey, Dottie, yeah, a little bit late. It's fine though, not too bad. So the new 15-minute candle is so far so good. Okay, I like that. I like that. Push a little bit more. Push it a little bit more. All right, so the highs that we wanted to take are taken right now. Okay, nice. I haven't closed partials yet. That's good. Let's go. Let's go. No partials. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. The CPI high. We want the CPI high. All right, I'm closing partials here because I'm scared. All right, cool. Partial secured. And now we're just like enjoying the ride. You know what else we're gonna do? We're gonna put our stop loss to break even because we're greedy. 5155.91. Was that 5155.91 was on my thing. Stop loss modify. All right, cool. We're chill now. Okay, profits taken. Let's check the Bitcoin long. All right, cool. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God, we're crushing it today. Hype, everyone liked this video. For some freaking stupid reason, we lost 7 likes. I don't know. We probably have bots. Don't ask me. Don't ask me, but we're printing today. The printer is on today. Why? Because we were patient. Dottie, this is what we were waiting for, dude, for 1.5 hours for the liquidities to be grabbed so I can long. Basically, that was the thing. But now we're at resistance. We're at resistance. We're at resistance, and I'm pretty sure I have a short order up here, which I'm going to close right now because I'm not sure about it anymore. Yeah, 52037, delete. Yeah, I'm not shorting that at the moment. All right, cool. It's very good that I close profits, half of the position here, right? Very good, because look at what happens at the resistance. Gabby trades indicators. You have 30 days for free, you guys. Please get them. This is like solely, obviously, with the help of the RTM, why I entered this trade. What the logic behind the BTC trade, I'll tell you right now. So, you know, you're probably not on Discord, right? You're probably not on Discord, but if you come on Discord, it's for free, dude. You can come on Discord completely for free. All you need to do is register with the link Bluffin on Bluffin over there, completely for free. You're gonna get the daily updates. So that was the plan for the morning, right? For the morning, my plan was I short Bitcoin to the true week open, which is the RTM model theory. If you want to learn, this is it. So yeah, I was short, then I took profits, and then the plan after that was to long from true week open. So that's where I caught the long life over here. And now I'm hoping that this is going to hold to grab this liquidity. So this short, I closed it already in profit. And the long, I'm just keeping right now, but it doesn't look that good. So let's see, because it's rejecting a lot, but it might hold. And also, dude, I don't really care because I have another short up here from 73. So I've done pretty good so far. And the idea for the gold long was based on the liquidity, okay? So yeah, just like that. So we want to grab the CPI high over here. That's what we want to do. I took partials because I'm a little scared gold, but that's fine. Partials are always good. Like, you know, you take your partial and then you're fine. Like I've done something. I paid myself for the wait. Okay, and then that's it. The other long is also running, which is doing all right. Very small size, so I don't really care about it, but it's doing well. But on Monday, if I didn't screw up on Monday the way I did, I would have had two longs running. One from 50.48. That was the other entry. So that would have been extra okay, but I just chickened out on Monday really badly. So, but it happens. It's okay. I don't want for price to reject up here because it could retrace the whole move. Still very sussed from this 15-minute SR flip zone here. And double liquidities tend to be retested twice. So it is what it is, though. It was a legendary entry. Still, in my opinion, the CPI high is going to be a target eventually for anyone that was brave enough to short it. They're probably going to be taken out. So it is what it is. Yeah, so if you guys are interested to just finding out what was the logic behind the trade, I just follow a system. That's the logic behind the trade. So I don't like the rejection here, though. It's very sus. But you know, huge imbalance, they have to retrace it. That's why I told you, like, that's why I wanted to take profits up here, because there's no way that they're not going to retrace some of that move. But let's hope they hold it. Quite a good positioning within the wick, I'd say. But yeah, good job today, everyone. Good catches overall. For a CPI day, muted reaction, not too bad. We ideally want for price to hold above here. Like we don't want it to drop below 5176, but let's see, they might want to retest a little bit more. 5175. Let's say it's good if we oh, Narish is back. BTC ma'am. Narish, I told you, please don't call me ma'am because it makes me feel old. BTC, this is a week long, but it is what it is. At least I took some profits on it. Did I? I forgot what I did, but whatever. And JJ is laughing. BTC ma'am. BTC ma'am. He's being polite. He's being polite is what he's being, but all right, we're holding. That's good. Yeah, we're gonna grab the high over here. Chill. Everyone, make sure to like this video. You guys are very welcome here. Well, now we're just waiting to take profit, I guess. Continuing to print bullish candles, eventually a reversal. Come on, dude. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna fail the 15-minute or what? When is the next 15? Oh my god, 5 minutes? Let's see what the new 5 minutes is doing here. Captain JJ. Is it nice to start your mornings like this? Oh man. Yeah. They're completely failing the 15 minutes. I'm so glad I secured some. Let us see. Still making, you know, higher lows, but this is a lower high here on the 1 minute. Let us see. This low is weak. They might take it down here. Oh, you would work already? Oh. Come on, gold. Pay us today, Wednesday. Oh, I see. Yeah. Well, as long as they don't call me sir, I'm fine. But it happens sometimes, and I can't explain why. Let's see what Wall Street has to say. The IEA said its member countries would release a record 400 million barrels of oil from strategic reserves. Okay. Oil, do you have something to say about that? Do you maybe yeah, so oil smashed the liquidity that we were talking about earlier, like literally minutes ago. So that's good. BTC is still hovering around the 4-hourly SR. I don't know. Cannot tell you. Gold's trying to hold. Yeah, Dori. I can see what you're saying. You know, according to the RTM, it seems like we should be eventually maybe having some news and just going up to 130 even is what the RTM is saying. But let's see. We're still in 0.236. You never know. It might fail from here. So, you know. Yes, everyone, like and subscribe. Hi, Summer J. So nice to see you. Oh, I'll just take the CPI high already. I need to pee. Oh. Oh, lovely. Lovely. Hope you enjoy your lunch. We're just waiting here to hit take profit. It's getting a bit boring. Come on, give it another push. All right, new 15 minutes. Thank you, 15 minutes for the profits. We just need one more 15 minutes candle. 15 minutes. That's gonna do great. Please, if you don't mind. Yes, yes, yes. Very good day today. Crypto's trying to hold. Not too bad. Not too bad. But Samurai J, honestly, like we just spent 1.5 hours waiting for this trade, so you know you haven't missed much. Waiting for the liquidity to be grabbed and everything. So all right, new 15-minute candle. Can we get one more, please? Or are you going to retrace? What are you gonna do? So far, so good. Let's see. All right, let's go. Come on, come on, you can do it. Don't fail here. Don't fail here, because if you do that, I'll be very sussed. I don't have any profits from the horse, so don't worry about that. Yep, it's failing here. I don't like it because that's a sell zone. So I wish I was a stay-at-home dad. Really? You'd be bored. Come on. Okay, there's demand here. Let's see if we react from the demand. Let's see if anyone tried to short it here. Probably a few people. Let's see them taken out right now. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oof. Yes, yes, very good. You can do it. You can do it. Yes, yes, perfect. Great. All right. Good job, everyone. Good job. CPI high, please. Hello. Do not reject here. Do not do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Just don't. Come on, 15 minutes. Give us another strong 15 minutes. Come back, retest the opening of the day. Do it. Do it. It's probably gonna do it because the 15-minute SR flip zone, we broke quite substantially from it. So let's hope we don't reverse here because that would not be good. All right. Everyone, make sure to like this video. I don't know. I feel like if you're at home, you're probably gonna be bored. You know, I have a lot of friends that are very successful or have had a very successful career. And, you know, now they're retired and they're bored out of their, you know what. So, you know, bad things happen when you're bored. Bad things can happen. I definitely don't want to see it failing from the supply here. I would like it to see it continue. You have to learn how to take the trades. That's what you need to do. You don't have to follow someone else's. Your friends need better hobbies. Yeah, I agree. If you have great hobbies, if you're like into doing a lot of stuff, it could be good, but not many people are, you know, and they tend to get into some weird stuff. Yeah, exactly. Bad things happen on a daily. Yeah. Come on, gold, don't fail here, please. I honestly genuinely don't want to close here. I'd like to hold for the liquidity up here, but it might retrace. I just need to see how it goes. So far it's acting all right. It's giving me a reason to hold. Like, we have these two highs over here. That's a CPI high. You know, it should be targeted, in my opinion. But it's never a straight way up, is it? Oh my god, we're back to 37 likes. I'm so happy to see that. Great. Can we make it 40 likes? Before we hit take profit. Let's check the Bitcoin trade. Oh, damn it. 1 minute liquidity down here. Not good. Maybe I'll cut some profits on it. Let's see. Two more likes. Now there are two. I know. I think doing fun stuff with your kids is probably so fun. Who was this American guy that was taking his... He's not anymore. I think he's Mormon or something. He goes like fishing and he digs like holes in the snow. It's so funny. Oh my god. Gold, can we take profit, please? Accumulating a little bit here. Yeah, push it up. Come on now. Oh, dude, very weak. Please. At least the low is strong here, but I don't know how deep. They might take it back to 5176 again. I don't know. $5187. Oh, ouch. In the range? What a pain. Like, it could literally fail right now, Donald. This is literally a sell zone. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, look at it. It's literally a sell zone. So, but let's see. Oh, no, I think regarding everything. Yep. You know, it's been quite slow today, I must say. I'm pretty sure the markets are busy with whatever is happening with Oracle right now, which is crazy. And the stocks. Oracle's also dropped a little bit now. Nat gas is up again a little bit. That's for 3.3, probably next target here for Nat. US 30, yeah. US 30, yeah. It's massively failing right now. I mean, dude, this was the level like up here, and once we failed that, so it's starting to maybe I don't know. Like, you have essentially a massive channel, dude. You just failed it, and you're bearishly retesting it right now. So, you know, it could be a big one. Yeah, I agree. Let's go back here to golden hour trade. Jesus, where is it? Oh, yeah, it was a good entry. Had to wait for it a bunch, but it's fine. Yeah, let's see, because we're trading in markets that are, you know, influenced by tweets. Oh man, here it is. Come on, protect it. Where is that? 5-minute opening just did that. All right, let's go. Come on. Yes, no follow through. Let's go. Send it. Yes, everyone, make sure to check Gabby Trade's website. You can come on the Discord completely for free, where you can see my daily updates. I send the trades that I'm planning for the day, like even before the live stream. So come on, dude. Please. Hold the line. Imagine being short up here. Like, even if you're long, even if you're short, like, it's so hard right now. Like, if you're like trading within that range, oh my goodness, it would have been so difficult. Welcome everyone. Make sure, yay, 40 likes. Let's go. Everyone, I'm expecting each and one of you to come and register on the Gabby Trades website so you can get your free PDF on the one of the RTM stuff. All right, so we just opened the new 15-minute candle. No, we haven't. Sorry. What am I talking about? It's 20. We need more. 27. Oh, we need a little bit more. 3 more minutes. Oh man, this is so annoying. Where is the volatility? Look at this on a 15-second. Just look at it. They have to send it low a little bit. Like, I don't know. Oh, Zibo, you have buys at 5175. Yeah. All right. Let's hope it doesn't retrace and it just like hits my take profit right now, because I'm bored of it. Let's go. Send. Come on. You can beat that. You don't have to sell off from here. You can totally beat that. It's fine. Nobody's gonna judge you. Nobody's gonna judge you. Yes, yes. And how are we not the best live stream traders on this planet? Not only we caught the Bitcoin long, but we also caught the gold long. Why? Because we waited, we were patient, and we followed our setup to the T. This is how we do it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Brilliant. Come on, come on. Come on, dude. Come on. Take the CPI high. Take it. Don't scam us right now. Don't scam us. Come on, 1 minute candle. Do the job. Come on. You can do it. New 15-minute candle open. Let's go. Please. Don't double top it. Don't do it. Have a great day, everyone. You know what? Come on, push it, please. Oh, I was just about to close the stream because I really need to pee, but here it is, you guys. 2 successful longs today. Good job. We had a short on Bitcoin. We took profits. So yeah, great day. The short on Bitcoin, took profits on it. Send everything in the Discord to the entire community for you guys to see. The Discord is for free. Make sure to join so you see the setups even before I take them. Then we had a Bitcoin long, which is still going, and that's the gold long that we took. So generational. Thank you so much for being here, you guys. Make sure to like this video, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Freaking winners, let's go.